Guys, welcome back to Computer Tech. After a long days again, I am back here with a new tech video. So in today's video, I am going to share you how to download and install Filmora full version with crack. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first we have to download Filmora. Move to your favorite browser and just I'm pasting the link here. The link of the Filmora is given in the description. So just once you browse the link, this is the wonders of Filmora latest version, and click on download. Once you click on download, the download has been initialized. So just I am forwarding the video because it is taking some time to download. It is almost 314 MB. So okay guys, now you are seeing that the Wondersa has been downloaded, and just go to downloads. Can you see here? It is downloaded. So before extracting this folder, make sure that the real-time protection in your system is off. So just move to start and type virus. So just click on virus and threat protection, and in this click on manage settings, virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings, and can you see a real-time protection? Just disable the real-time protection. So now the real-time protection has been disabled. Now just extract the Filmora. So it is asking for password. The password is 123 and click OK. Now can you see here, this is extracted here. Just click on extracted Wondersa, and can you, this is the setup. Double click on the setup and click yes. Choose the language. Okay. Again click on next, and I have read the terms and conditions. Next. Again next. And now you can see that the Filmora is installing. So okay guys, this is almost installed here. So once it will be opening in the browser, disconnect that one, and this is almost finishing to install. So just untick join the user experience and launch the Filmora. Once you do so, the Filmora will be launched at the background. Can you see here? Now the Filmora has been launched. It is loading for the first time. So guys, the Filmora is open here. So if you don't have a crack of Filmora, you will notice that while exporting the video, the Filmora watermark will be there on the video. So just I am clicking here and I am selecting one of the videos and open. Once I open the video here, just I am exporting on the path and keeping the same path. Once done, if I am adding any effect here, after adding any effect, just I am going to export and export to device. Can you see here, purchase wonders of Filmora 10 to export without watermark option is given here. If you don't have a full version, when you export you will be getting the video with watermark. So just to close everything, close the Filmora. So no. Again you have to do a trick, that just go to the extract folder. So we have already extracted here. So just move to crack and copy all the files from here. Once copied, just move to the desktop. So you will be having Filmora. Right click and open the file location. Once you do, the file location will be opened here. Just make and paste the file. So can you see here the activator file? Just right click on the activator file and run as administrator, and it is just give yes. Once done, can you see here successfully activation, a box comes here. Again close this one and let's move and again check it out. So again I am opening Filmora. So Filmora is opened here. Again I am exporting same video here and just keeping on the path and keeping as absolute, and if I want to do something or effect whatever may be done, and export to device. Once we give export to device, can you see we saw a previous box that the Filmora must be activated or the watermark will be there, a box appeared at before making a patch. But now can you see we can select the format and we can export the video here. So this is the method how we can get a wonders of Filmora full version without pay. Thank you for watching the video. If the video is useful, just like the video and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for further notification. If you are facing any issue while installing the Filmora, just comment it down and I will try my best to resolve as soon as possible. Thank you.